disconnect from the transformer, and using 2 wire and using the Lomax to here to outside. So I'm using a very long, very long cable. Okay. So the purpose of the very long cable is to try to increase the resistance of the current of the system. Okay, so there's 4 wire in there. So I basically connect from the black from power. Okay, on the other end, the black connect the white. Okay, so white connect to the one white from the Lomax. From the red wire, red from power go to the red wire from this cable. Then connect the red wire to the yellow wire. Now the yellow wire go out and connect another wire to the solenoid. So total the wire the resistance on this wire is about like 10 ohms. So I have a power supplier. It's rated like 12 volt. 12 volt and 1.25 amps. If you use lower amps, I think it's better. So after that, so I check I can check the current. Check the current goes through the solenoid. Should be around like a 0.25 0.2 to 0.25, so about there something like amps, milliamps, no amps, so about 200 250. I think it should be fine. So this it says is 2 watts. So 2 watts and 25 total voltage. So if you calculate the average amperage is about 0.17, so 170 millivolts. So this is AC. So the current should be the amperage should be around like 0 to 350 milliamps. So I think this should be safe. Should be safe. So we solve the problem of the buzzing noise. Thank you for watching.